Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in partnership. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Please go through the problem first. Friends, here four friends Ajay, Sunil, Sumit and Krishna together rent a house for rupees 15,000. Here Sumit and Krishna decided to contribute 10,000 jointly. So Sumit and Krishna contribute 10,000 means Sumit 5,000, Krishna 5,000. Friends, 5,000 is what part of 15,000? 5,000 by 15,000, 1 by 3. So Sumit contribute 1 by 3 and same way Krishna contribute 1 by 3. Friends, coming to Ajay and Sunil. Friends, 10,000 is contributed by Sumit and Krishna. So the remaining 5,000 must be contributed by Ajay and Sunil based on the days they stay. Based on the days they stay. Friends, the remaining part is 5,000. 5,000 by 15,000, 1 by 3. 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 part must be shared by Ajay and Sunil in the ratio of the days they stay in the room, in the house. See friends, here it is given that Ajay stays 15 days whereas Sunil stays 30 days. That means the ratio of their stay is 1:2. The ratio of their stay is 1:2. Friends, this 1 by 3 must be shared by Ajay and Sunil in the ratio 1:3. So let us divide 1 by 3. Let us divide 1 by 3 in the ratio 1:2. 1 by 3 into 1 by 1 plus 2. 1 by 1 plus 2. 1 by 3. That is equal to 1 by 9. Coming to Sunil, 1 by 3 into 2 by 1 plus 2. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 9. So friends, their shares are 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Thank you.